respected seniors, esteemed colleagues, and young budding anatomists. Warm greeting from the land of Goddess Ma Sita. On behalf of Anatomical Society of the India and Organizing Committee, it is my honor and pleasure to invite you all to the 72nd National Conference of the Anatomical Society of the India, hosted by Department of Anatomy, Darbhanga Medical College and Hospital, Darbhanga, Bihar, from 30th to 16th of November 2025, with a pre-conference and CME and workshop on 30th of November 2025. We promise you a memorable experience enriched with the Mithila's famed hospitality, summarized in our motto Atithi Devo Bhava, that is, guest is God. Indulge in the region's traditional delicacies, including fish, pan, and makhan, which are the integral part of Darbhanga's heritage. Kindly save the date. The vibrant land of Mithila awaits to welcome you open arms and an unforgettable experience of learning, camaraderie, and cultural immersions. Thank you. Myself, Dr. Gouri Shankar Jha, Organizing Secretary, NATCON 72. Thank you.